Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn Google Play project on or off. Let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store, and then in here you just click on the profile icon at the top, and then in here you just click on the setting, this one, click on it, and in here you just click on about. Click on it, and in here you just in here you can see this is a Play Project certification. This is the say device is certified, and then finish. So that how to turn Google Play project on or off. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.